Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor, and this is a look at version 1.3 of my generator system, and this has seen a few updates in terms of the functionality, the scenes, and what you can use and do with it. And by the way, before we look at this, you can check out my online documentation to have videos, tutorials, and all step-by-step on how to get this all sorted if you've got any troubles at all, and do send me an email if you've got anything you want to know. Fundamentally, you pick up the Jerrycan, which is the first thing that you can interact with, and you get sound effects with it. You can press tab to show and hide the Jerrycan, and then you can use fuel barrels to fill those up to the level. And you can set all of the values that everything has. You don't need these pop-out UIs if you don't want to use them, but you can change them in any way that you so wish. And then you have a generator that you need to fill up, and if you fill the generator up, can actually activate a specific event that you set. So in this case, it's just going to set some lights. So when we press play here, you will get the generator which activated the object. It is ticking down at the moment, and it has a little vibration to show that it's actually working. And when it is finished, everything will go off, and you need to use the objects that you've got, and you can take from the fuel barrel and fill up as it's going along if you need to do that. You can affect all these settings with how fast it ticks down. It does come with full documentation, all the scriptable objects, sounds, sprites, everything that you need to get yourself started. It comes with a series of managers to control input, control the audio, control how much you can hold in your inventory at any one time, whether you've got a Jerrycan, and the basic general UI manager to control your inventory UI. And then we have a bunch of objects which are, you can set, make sure you've got a box collider and the script on, which has got the Jerrycan. You can set the amounts, you can set whether you can show the pop-out UI or not, and it's got a custom inspector to show and hide particular objects. And then with the fuel, you've got the same thing where you can set it, and the only difference is on the actual, so that when we switch to a generator, we'll get more options because of the custom editor. And then we have the parameters for whether it can burn fuel, or it's going to be, if you untick that, it'll be an unlimited generator, or whether it can rumble and set the settings, and also the events. So what happens when you activate the generator and what happens when you deactivate it. So in this case, I just run the script that's on this game object to activate the lights and the emission values of those lights, play or stop the audio, and then change the button color on the actual generator itself. And all the UIs and the world space are underneath all of the objects, and it's all ready to go. And if you do have any troubles at all, do send me an email or check out the online documentation, because I've written up everything that you need to know with step-by-step information on how to do it. So thanks so much for checking this out. Do check out all my other great assets on the Unity Asset Store, because it really helps me out, and all of those on my website with bonus discounts compared to what you would pay on the Unity Asset Store. So thank you very much.